So today's haircut for black women will really draw attention to your face, and it's that kind of haircut that will always emphasize your facial features. So this haircut today is that perfect style that can be done at home, and it appreciates that natural coil pattern without the frizz. You can see this coily hair texture, they are always best for, especially if you have the salt and peppered hair, or you have the gray hair. This haircut today will best suit your hair, and I will advise you guys to use the best products. Like I always advertise, the MIELLE, the Dukes, the Kings and Coils, and the Carol's Daughter. So these are hairstyle that will suit all all hair types. So no matter, even if you have the thin hair or you have the fine hair or the thick hair, this haircut, this MIELLE kit or this product I've been mentioning in my videos will give you that right hair texture you are looking for. Okay, and the MIELLE kit, we know it comes with a shampoo, like it comes with different product, like apart from that, both for the longer hair and for the short. But why I'm concentrating on the shampoo, the conditioner, and the moisturizer with the coil enhancer is because it's all about short hair, and that's what I know I've tried. So I can't tell you what I've not tried before. I will always recommend something that will be good for your hair texture, which I've used and have tested. So it's a coil cream that will always suit your hair texture and give you the best shine you want. So it costs for about $7 to $20. You can get either of them. Either you get the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner and the coil cream, or you can also add the mousse, just depending on what you want for yourself, because I don't want you guys to I've always talked about short hairstyle is a low maintenance haircut. So this is a low maintenance style that will make you look your best and really turn eyes, in that location. So you can see, you can just treat your hair, wipe down with that styling mousse. Then you allow it to just dry overnight, because I won't advise you guys to use the heating hot combs. So I will just let you guys, or the diffuser, I will just allow you guys to just dry your hair overnight or 3 hours to the time you're going out, depending on your hair texture. If you have a thin hair, maybe an hour to the time you're going out, or you allow your hair to dry.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Now waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love the past, the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love the past, the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. Coco, what have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know. What have you done to me? I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Whoa. waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't jazz again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't jazz again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me?